What's up everyone, Landon here with LMR.com. Welcome to my breakdown and install on this SVE Off-Road X-pipe for the 1986 to 1993 5-liter Mustangs. This SVE X-pipe is a great option for any Fox enthusiast wanting an aggressive exhaust note and an increase in power. This off-road X-pipe is a 3-piece design that features 2.5-inch mandrel bent tubing. It's constructed from aluminized steel and will bolt directly to a set of factory manifolds or aftermarket shorty headers that have a factory style connection. O2 sensor bungs and mid-pipe hangers are properly placed, allowing for a great fit in your 86 to 93 Fox. Now this X-pipe does not have catalytic converters, so it's going to be intended for off-road use only. Also note that there is not a provision for the air tube, so for those of you that have already deleted the smog pump, no modifications are required. In the box will be a driver and passenger side downpipe, the X-pipe, and all hardware needed for installation.
To begin the install, disconnect the negative battery cable since you're going to be working near the starter. Support the car via a lift or get the car as high and as safe as you can if you're going to be working off of jack stands. Spray a penetrating oil on the hardware that pertains to the mid-pipe. These include the mid-pipe to manifold nuts, O2 sensors, and then the mid-pipe to catback hardware. Loosen each O2 sensor with a 7/8 opened-end wrench. You can also disconnect the electrical connections and remove the O2 sensors whenever the mid-pipe is removed from the car. Loosen and remove the hardware, securing the mid-pipe to the catback. This is done by using an open-end wrench on the bolt head and a socket wrench with a deep socket on the nut. If you're removing an existing mid-pipe that does not have the middle hangers, be sure and support the mid-pipe. Loosen and remove the mid-pipe to manifold retaining nuts. This is done by using the correct wobble socket with a 12-inch extension. The existing mid-pipe is now free to come out. Slide the rod on the driver's side downpipe into the hanger. Bring the downpipe forward and position the flange into the manifold studs. Each downpipe is size specific, so you'll know right away if you grab the correct side. Don't forget to apply anti-seize to the manifold studs. Reinstall and loosely tighten the factory hardware. Go ahead and position the X-pipe into place and slide a bolt through either one of the openings in the flange on the downpipe. Pass it through the opening in the flange on the X-pipe and then install a nut. Repeat this for the other 3 locations. Run up the nuts, but do not fully tighten them since you'll need some room for adjustment. Align the X-pipe with the catback. Because of the particular catback on this car, we reuse the existing X-pipe to catback retaining hardware. At this time, you can properly position the exhaust. Once you have the piping properly positioned and tucked up underneath the car, go ahead and tighten the hardware. Start at the manifold nuts and then work your way back. Reinstall the O2 sensors. Ensure that the wiring is not twisted. When finished, start the car and check for exhaust leaks. After that, you're all finished.
Wrapping things up here guys, this install is pretty straightforward. Like any mid-pipe on a Fox body, be sure and tuck it up into the car the best you can while you maintain proper clearance from other components. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and don't forget to turn on notifications. While you're at it, be sure and check out our other videos. And don't forget to shop LMR.com for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT like.